Welcome everyone. So we will be learning some yogic techniques to beautify our Kathak practice. Whatever you are doing, uh, be the practice of Kathak or any sports you play or your studies, it will help you in everything. It will relax your mind. It will increase your focus. It will increase your concentration and will also improve your memory if you practice it consistently, regularly, right? So it's just a short 15 minutes, some techniques that we will do. Why it helps is because when you are practicing, our mind is in the present all the time. So when we are doing something, we are not thinking about anything else. And how it is happening? Because we are working on the breath. We are taking help of the breath. So we are putting our attention on the breath. We are moving. So there is no chance of getting lost. Yes, so it's a trick. So if you practice it for some minutes in a day, so the rest of the day becomes mindful automatically, gradually. And then when you do your Kathak dance, when you are doing Kathak practice, so you are more mindful of the movements. You know what you are doing. At the same time, it increases our stamina. And I also suggest add some other activities like jogging, yes, like playing outdoor games sometimes. Add these things in the daily routine. It will help you a lot in every aspect of your life. So let's stand up. Whatever movement we will do it with the involvement of our breath. Okay, let's start. Inhale, exhale. In, out, in, out, in, out. Let's do it total 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Breathe in and exhale. One more deep breath in, expand your system and exhale. Second warm up we will do, it's called the engine breathing. So what we'll do is we'll breathe out forcefully while throwing our hands forward. At the same time, we'll kick our hips with our heels, right? So I'll show you how to do it and we can do it together. Again, this we will do 10 times. So throw your hand forward and exhale forcefully. Let's start doing it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Deep breath in and breathe out. Finally, let's do Sarvanga Pushti. We'll rotate our body clockwise and anti-clockwise. How? Open your feet apart, both the hands, fingers interlocked. Inhale, take your hands up. Exhale, go towards the left side, down, drop your head down, and then go towards right. Inhale back, आपका कमर को सामने पुश करें. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. Exhale down. Let's reverse this time. You reach down and then you reverse. Inhale back. Exhale down. Inhale back. 5 rounds we did clockwise. 5 rounds anti-clockwise. And exhale, come down. And then inhale, rise up. Bring your feet together. One deep breath in. And exhale. Let's sit down. So, we will do Sukshma Vyayam. These are the joint rotations, the important joints of our body: neck, shoulder, and wrist. Yes, and all these Joints, they are very important when we talk about any classical dance form such as Kathak. So, neck rotation. So your body is straight, do not slouch like this. Okay, the body is straight. Now we'll rotate our head. So again, as I said earlier, whatever movement we do, we have to engage our breath in that. So with the breath, inhale, take your head back. Exhale, bring your head down. Inhale, take your head back. Drop it at the back. Exhale, down. Now breathe in, rotate. सर को रोटेट करेंगे हम. Rotate your head clockwise. Take it towards the right first. Back, left, and down. So rotating our head clockwise. Inhale, exhale. 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. Keep rotating. Inhale, take it back. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, take it back. Exhale, down. Last round. Inhale, take it back. Exhale, down. Now let's reverse it. एक बार जब नीचे पहुंचेगा, chin with the chest, we'll rotate anti-clockwise. Inhale, take it left, back. Exhale, right and down. Inhale, left and back. Exhale, right and down. Inhale, exhale. In, out. In, and last time. Out, relax. Yes. Now let's rotate our shoulders. You can keep both the hands on the shoulders like this. Join your elbows in the front. Inhale, lift it up. Take it back so you squeeze your upper back and down. Inhale, exhale. Do not do it without the engagement of your breath. Do it with the breath. सांस भरे, छोड़े. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Again, we are doing it 5 times, front to back. Let's do it back to front now. Take it back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. सांस भरे, छोड़े. सांस भरे, छोड़े. सांस भरे, छोड़े. भरे, छोड़े. And relax. Moving the wrist, both the wrist in front of you. So you can open your fist. Let's do it with the open hands and rotate it. Like how we engage our hands in the hastak of Kathak. So rotate it outward. Keep breathing long, deep breath in, out, in, out, in, out. What is in and out? Breath in, breath out, breath in, breath out. Let's rotate in the opposite direction. अंदर से बाहर. Breath in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and relax. Yes. So the main thing is whatever movement we are doing, we have to do it with the breath. So next, let's stretch our legs forward. So how we row the boat? So we will do the rowing boat action. So imagine you are carrying those chappus in your hand with which we row the boat. So we exhale, go forward. Inhale, come back. Yes. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. So as your body moves, your breath flows. There has to be a coordination between the movement of the body and the breath. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. relax. Now take both the arms up. Inhale, take your hands up. Pull yourself up. Exhale, go forward. Inhale, come back. Keep your head in between your hands. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, relax. Let's open our legs wide. Opening the legs. So, this is for the waist, our hips. So, both the hands forward. You can interlock the fingers. Exhale, go forward and then go towards the right. See if you can reach towards the right foot. So again, using our breath, inhale, go back. Exhale, down and forward. 3 rounds. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your knees straight. Inhale. Exhale. Elbows are straight. Now reverse. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. सांस भरें and छोड़े center and come back. With your right hand, grab your right foot. Inhale, lift up your left hand. Exhale. In, out. सांस भरें, छोड़ें. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time, inhale, exhale. Inhale, forward. Relax. Grab your left foot with the left hand. Lift up your right hand. Inhale, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, last time, exhale. Inhale and relax. Bring your legs together. Let's sit comfortably. So sit like this, one foot above the other. Yes, Ardha Padmasana कहते हैं इसको. We will do a very beautiful pranayam called Bhastrika because sometimes we lack a lot of energy. When we are doing our practice, we feel that we are losing the stamina, we are losing the energy. So this pranayam will boost up our energy. It will fill us with a lot of energy. So how it is done? We'll do it 30 times. So in one round, we'll do only one round and we do it 30 times. Yes? So you just have a look once how we do it. So it's a forceful breathing out. We breathe out forcefully. So we breathe in normally like this and then we exhale. We inhale, exhale. So like imagine if a mosquito tries to enter your nostrils. How will you exhale? You do it like this, right? You forcefully exhale. So imagine that and then breathe out forcefully. So let's do it together. For this we can close our eyes if you wish to. One normal breath in without moving the hands and then we breathe out. Now for Bhastrika, breathe in, out. Open your fist when it goes up. In, out. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. In, 7. In, 8. In, 9. In, 10. In, 11. In, 12. In, 13. In, 14. In, 15. In, 16. In, 17. In, 18. In, 19. In, 20. In, 21. In, 22. In, 23. In, 24. In, 25. In, 26. In, 27. In, 28. In, 29. In, 30. and relax. Keep your eyes closed for some time. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. One more deep breath in, bloat your lungs, fill your lungs, bloat your stomach, and exhale. One more deep breath in and exhale. Breathe in and out. In and out. Make an effort to keep your eyes closed and breathe longer. Breathe in, out, in, out. Breathe in, out, and breathe normally. Keep your eyes closed. Now we'll add pause to it. Like how we were breathing now, longer breaths, but we'll add a pause after the inhalation and after the exhalation. After we breathe in, we will pause. After we breathe out, we will again pause. So do it with my counting and make an effort to do it with the count. Even if there is an urge to breathe out suddenly, make an effort, and then gradually your lung capacity will increase for sure. So let's breathe in, hold, out, 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 hold, breathe in, in, hold, out, 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 hold, सांस भरे, 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 रोके, रोके, छोड़े, 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 रोके, रोके, सांस भरे, 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 रोके, रोके, सांस छोड़े, 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 रोके, रोके, सांस भरे, 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 रोके, रोके, छोड़े, 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 रोके, रोके. Breathe in, hold, out, 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 hold. Last time. Breathe in, hold, out, 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 hold, and relax. Keep your eyes closed. Breathe normally. Now we will do straw breathing. Imagine how you hold a straw in your lips. So what's the shape of your lips when you are holding a straw? It's round, right? So imagine a straw in your mouth. Now we'll inhale from the nose, but we'll exhale out from that straw, from that imaginary straw. Okay? So inhale from the nose, exhale out from the straw. So in order to exhale out fully, it will take some time because there is a narrow passage. So it will take time to exhale. So take that time, okay? Okay, let's start. We'll do 5 breaths like this. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the straw. Continue, breathe in, out from the straw. In, out, in, out, in, out, Last round of straw breathing. In, out. And keep your eyes closed. Relax. आंखें बंद ही रखेंगे. One last technique we will do. We'll keep our eyes closed. So what we'll do is we'll breathe out in the humming sound, like how a bee makes the sound. It does like this, right? So we will do it 3 times. After every inhalation, we'll exhale with this humming sound. So let's practice. Back straight, neck straight. Inhale. 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 Relax. Keep your eyes closed. Take one more deep breath in and breathe out. Your body is absolutely still. Listen to all the sounds in the surroundings. It could be the sound of the fan or the AC, or someone talking, or of the vehicles, or of me speaking. Listen to each sound carefully. And let's accept it. Whatever we are listening to, let's accept it. Be one with the sound in these surroundings. Take one deep breath in, expand your stomach as you breathe in, and breathe out. Become aware of the body. See if you feel any sensation, anything in any part of the body. You can start scanning it from the toes to the legs, to the hips, to the waist, stomach, chest, right shoulder, right arm, left shoulder, left arm, neck and face, and you smile. There's a big smile on the face, and then you inhale with the smile and you exhale with the smile. Take your attention towards the tip of the head. Keep smiling with the longer breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breath in and breathe out. Very slowly, you may open your eyes.